Hello everyone, myself Abhishek Das. Today I am going to discuss about position, displacement and temperature measurement, which is the important part of instrumentation and control engineering. Before go details about this topic, we need to know few definition of sensor or transducer. Number 1, displacement sensor, which is used to measure the amount by which some object has been moved. Next one, position sensor, which is used to determine the position of an object. Proximity sensor. These are used to determine when an object has moved to within some particular critical distance of the sensor. The sensor or transducer are classified into the few parts. They are the resistive sensor or potentiometer sensor, capacitive sensor and inductive sensor or inductive transducer. Number 1, potentiometer sensor. It is the simplest transducer for converting linear or angular displacement into a change of resistance is the resistive element provided with a movable contactor. The change in resistance is brought out by only a change in the length of the resistance from one end to another end of the contactor. The change in resistance is the proportional to the voltage change in the electrical circuit. The equation is given by V out is equal to K VR into X, where K is the constant, X or theta is the displacement or rotary displacement. Next one is the capacitive transducer. The principle of operation of capacitive transducer is based upon the familiar equation for capacitance of the parallel plate capacitor. The equation are C is equal to epsilon A by D, where epsilon is the permittivity, D is the distance between the plate and A is the overlap area of the plate. The capacitive transducer work on the principle of change of capacitance, which may be caused by number 1, change in overlapping area A, change in distance D between the plates and changing electrical constant. Now our important topic is linear variable differential transformer. This is the inductive transformer or inductive transducer. The transformer action type transducer is basically a linear variable differential transformer. This is the most widely used in inductive transducer for transmitting the linear position into an electrical signal. It is a mutual inductance type inductor with variable coupling between the primary and the secondary end. It consists one primary and two identical secondary winding. They wound with a hollow bobine of non-magnetic and insulating material. A soft iron are attached to the sensing element of which displacement is to be measured. There are few advantage and disadvantage of LVDT. This is the inductive transformer or transducer. The main advantages are high range LVDT have a very high range of measurement of displacement, friction and electrical isolation. It has many useful features so that it can useful in many applications. Number 3, high input and high sensitivity. Number 4, it has low hysteresis. And number 5, it has low power consumption. There are few disadvantages also. The performance affected by the vibration and temperature dynamic response is limited. Application: LVDT is used to measure displacement ranging from fraction millimeter or centimeter. Acting as a secondary transducer, LVDT can be used as device to measure force, weight and pressure. And this is the characteristics of LVDT. Our next topic based on some temperature detector. Number 1, resistance temperature detector. It is used to measure temperature. RTD is primary electrical transducer which is used to measure temperature changes in terms of resistance changes. The resistive element is usually made of solid material, a metal or a semiconductor compound. The resistivity of metal increases with temperature, while that of semiconductor and insulator generally decreases. Hence, as temperature changes, the change in resistance will be due to the change in both length and resistivity. The RTD wire is a pure material, typical platinum, nickel or copper. The requirement of a conductor material to be used in RTDR, the change in resistance of material per unit change in temperature should be as large as possible. The material should have high value of resistivity. The resistance of material should have a continuous and stable relationship with temperature. Gold and silver are used for construction of RTD as they have the low resistivity. And for high resistivity, tungsten are used. Copper also used here. The application of RTD are smoke detector, door security. Next one, thermocouple. When two metal having different work principle are placed together, voltage is generated at the junction which is nearly proportional to the temperature. This junction is called thermocouple. The principle is used to convert heat energy. The thermocouple type element are used for both DC and AC application. The operation based upon Seebeck effect, which stated that when heat is applied of two dissimilar metals, an EMF is generated which can be measured at the other junction. The two dissimilar metals form an electrical circuit and a current flow as the result of the generated EMF. Usually a thermocouple composed by two dissimilar metals with physical contact. This metal may be twisted, pinned together. The application of thermocouple, they are used to measure temperature up to 1400 degrees Celsius. Next one is the thermistor. Thermistor is a contraction of term thermal resistor. Thermistors are generally composed of semiconductor material. They are the positive temperature coefficient of unit. Most thermistors are negative temperature coefficient such that their resistance decreases with increase the temperature. The thermistor is composed by metallic oxides such as magnesium, nickel, cobalt, copper, iron, etc. The application of thermistor are, they are used to measure temperature, they are used to control the temperature, they are used for temperature compensation. It can measure of power and high frequency. It can measure thermal conductivity and it provides time delay. Thank you everyone for watching this video. If you have any query, you can contact with me.